So good morning, everyone. I'm just doing a check-in. So after all the rain, this rock face busted off yesterday. That doesn't give me a whole lot of encouragement considering I've tied my house down to these rocks. You can see the sky's not near as ominous as it was last night. Of course, this thing is steady on the go. She's slow but steady. And then if you come around here, just put some, pieces on the edges of the house there. And over there's the other part of the rope. You can see the sea out there today. So they're saying we'll expect the worst of it this evening. I didn't sleep much last night. I was up at 3 o'clock this morning. And let's take a look at the backyard and the seaside. You can see I've basically put all my stuff up. Everything's bagged. I'm gonna take the table down. Of course, pack that up in the car. I'm gonna lay this down on its side. I tried taping my boxes up, but duct tape won't stick to anything because there's so much moisture in the air. And so if you come here, cut some tree pieces down, just trying to put a little extra. I mean, I was planning on redoing this place. Boy, I'm glad I didn't do it before Melissa showed up. So there you have that. I'm gathering my water. You can see, getting a jug here. And I think this barrel is pretty much full. It's got, it's up filled to the top. So that's the amount of rain just in 2 days filled that barrel. God bless everyone and be safe out there, really, everyone.